Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Amazon opening new grocery store chains across the US that have a lower price point and a broader offering than its Whole Foods stores. Before I do so, let's take a look at the stock movement and statistics. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Current price is $1,673. Yesterday was up 1.95%. Past week, up 1.81%. Past month, down 1.17%. Past 3 months, down 5.45%. Past year, up 13.88%. And past 5 years, up 384.66%. Scrolling down to look at the statistics. So in terms of 52-week range, it's somewhere between the 52-week range, midpoint. 52-week low is $1,307, and a high end is $2,050.50. Market capitalization is $820.82 billion. It's a fairly high PE ratio because it's a pretty high growth company. And zero dividend yield, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. So the companies that can be potentially impacted by the news include Kroger and Walmart, who are already in the grocery markets. So let's take a look at these stocks. Kroger, ticker symbol KR, down 4.47%. Past week, down 1.99%. Past month, down 0.57%. Past 3 months, down 4.78%. Past year, up 3.05%. And past 5 years, up 41.7%. So with the current price of $28.07, it's on the higher end of the 52-week range. On the low end of 52-week range, $22.85. And on the high end, it's $32.74. Market capitalization of $22.36 billion, fairly low PE ratio, and dividend yield is 1.6869%. Next is Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. Yesterday, down 1.07%. Past week, down 2.11%. Past month, down up 3.55%. Past 3 months, down 0.03%. Past year, up 12.28%. And past 5 years, up 33.79%. So current price is $97.99, almost $98. It's on the higher end of the 52-week range. On the low end, it's $81.78. And on the high end, it's $106.21. Market capitalization of $285 billion. I don't think the P ratio is correct, but the dividend yield is 2.17%. So it's a fairly good dividend stock. And as I mentioned, Amazon is opening a new grocery store chain across the US that have a lower price point and broader offering than its Whole Food stores. The first store can open is opening in LA as early as the end of the year, and Amazon's also pursuing an acquisition strategy to widen their supermarket brand, eyeing regional grocery chains that already have operating stores. So that would really help with the infrastructure and the growth into the market. And as I mentioned, the companies that would be impacted include Kroger, Walmart, and also Walgreens. So let's also take a look at another source, Business Insider. So Amazon could be gearing up to reveal Walmart, Kroger, and Aldi's worst nightmare. And as I mentioned, Amazon's reportedly planning to launch a new grocery store chain. that's cheaper than Whole Foods and selling a wider assortment of goods. And this would be a threat to Walmart, Kroger, and Aldi. So in 2017, Amazon acquired Whole Foods, and that sent shockwaves across the grocery industry. And over time, the prices were a little cheaper, then rose again, but stores started to offer new convenient services, including curbside pickup and delivery. But competitors like Walmart and Kroger were already implementing these services ahead of Amazon. And Amazon tries to continue to disrupt the industry. And this time it's launching a new store chain. The new stores will be smaller and cheaper than Whole Foods and carry a broader assortment of products. And these stores will also focus on convenience and curbside pickup. But this is bad news for traditional grocers because grocery stores are already a low margin business, and any added pricing pressure from a new Amazon chain could eat into the profits. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Amazon stock and the recent news that they're expanding into the supermarket brand? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links, and both of us get $20 for using Personal Capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.